Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jackie Nicole. I am a mompreneur, and here I post on lifestyle, beauty, fitness, fashion, and I love to share my routines, to make mothering easier so you can focus on other things that are important, like living. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, keep watching. And those are the insulated pouches that I'm throwing in the washer. Yes, they're washable. If you'd like to purchase one, they'll be in the description. But today I'm starting off with, got my workout clothes on, and I came to put a load of clothes in the washer before I head down to, get the boys' lunch ready. Faded off 1942, thinking of the nights I spent with you. Here I'm just getting my smell good right, lighting my little wax melts or whatnot, because I have to have the smell. I have to, okay? Don't argue with me. And here, this orange, it just got hard. It was sitting in the fruit bowl, but I'm gonna cut it in four and drop it in the garbage disposal to, make it smell real fresh and citrusy.
Together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real.
So I'm cleaning up the counters right now because I'm done with their lunches and they're about to head out the door. This is some all-purpose peppermint sage that I got from Dollar Tree. It smells pretty nice. I'm going to get Jeffrey so he can sweep the floor.
I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real.
Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, this ain't Drizzy, just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up taking it back.
9:16 right now, so this is 7, this is 9. So I'll drink it all the way down to here, or between here, just to get me, ahead of the game for breakfast. So usually I do my smoothie, my protein smoothie with my collagen and my creatine or whatnot. But my stomach feel funny because I forgot that one of my vitamins is supposed to be taken with food, and I just threw them all in my mouth. I took them before I went to work out, so my stomach feeling a little woozy. So I opted out of that, and I'm just doing oatmeal. Sweetened with agave and a little dash of cinnamon. So yeah. And my pine berries, but they don't give pineapples at all to me. It tastes like regular strawberry. But hey, whatever the hype is, I'm gonna try to save them as long as I can in them jars. That little bit costs $3 and some change. And I completely forgot to put chia seeds and hemp seeds in my oatmeal. Not pineapple at all. Ooh. But I really wanted to try this in it. They lied. Oh, well, I outdid myself. I put it to 11. Y'all see that? Oh my God, I'm gonna get this 6-pack. Oh my God, what did I do? I'm gonna get this camera together sooner or later. I don't know where they be sticking these daggone air fresheners. I don't know. It's not under the bed. It's not on the dresser. I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. You already know about the board with the chores and the hygiene. If not, the video will be right here. Instead of squeegeeing the shower with the little squeegee, I'll go ahead and I'm gonna take off everything so I can go ahead and spray the shower and clean in here. And by the time I get my clothes on, I can just go ahead and wipe it out and put the stuff back because it's soaking right now. ice maker is not making ice, so that means it's frozen, and I have to get my heat gun and melt the ice around the tube.
Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me. Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me.
At this point, I didn't even feel like making lunch. I just grabbed a protein shake and called it a day. Listen, Wally World was not the place to be today because this traffic was a no-go. Just like you remind me to get the buns. Y'all, I tell my son to remind me to get buns because my list was in my pocket somewhere. He wrote it on his hand. You didn't? You wrote it. Yes, you did. Oh, well, he was supposed to remind me. What? Who ain't got no buns? Guess who ain't got no buns? We ain't got no. No, don't look. Look at. He gonna turn his head. Guess who ain't got no buns? I just told him, I guess y'all eating y'all damn hamburgers off of bread, cause I ain't turning around. They doing too much in there. These people out today, I swear. Good gosh, I always go to the store on the wrong day where it's congested, whatever. You know what I mean? Horrible. Woo! They ruined me for everybody. Come on, FedEx.
Oh, yeah.
What?
So you know how when you said,
The Crumb Snatchers are home. Well, y'all know that one didn't go. But I got some wheat bread, some honey wheat, some lettuce for our hamburgers. Me and Bay are not doing the bun or the bread. We're doing the lettuce for the bread. Well, not for the bread, but to take the place of the bread. Some tomatoes, some eggs, a flashlight, because the other one, I dropped it and it won't come back on. And I picked up two items. I picked up two items that I wanted to try. Because I usually get the NYX matte spray, but wanted to try this one right here. What is it? Alani. And the Elf Hydrating Camo. I think I've had the original one, but this one is the hydrating one, so I wanted to try this right here. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot, I got some milk too. But let me flip this around. And I went to the store because I need to pick up some bread, because for you guys that don't know, I pretty much shop one time a month. And okay, this is the end of the month and I'm getting ready to shop for next month, which I haven't done my grocery list or anything yet. So I had to go get these items right here because we are out of bread because it's time for me to shop again. But I didn't want to do a complete shopping trip because I haven't got my list together yet. And plus, when I got in that store, baby, why they in my store? That thing was so congested. Like, it's too many people in there. So I'm gonna do my actual grocery list. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can, I keep forgetting what side. We're gonna try this side, and if it's wrong, I'll do the other side. But right here, I put the video on how I grocery shop. How to effectively grocery shop and, you know, save money and everything, and how that works out or whatever. But that video will be right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this right here because it's only 1:47 and I done did a million things. But oh, what you doing?
Cleaning up.
Oh, okay. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and well, y'all want a child? Stay tuned for more videos, and be you and just live, because that's the message. See you on the next one. Oh, and if you feel like hanging around, you can go ahead and watch one of these videos right here, you know, that YouTube has picked just for you. I'll put them on the porch. And if you feel like hanging around, then you can go ahead and watch this video right here that YouTube has picked just for you. Okay? Okay. See you on the next one. Y'all, I completely forgot about them damn clothes that was waiting for me upstairs. Well, anywho, I got those done, and then, you know, I chill out for a while, and by that time it was time for me to cook. But now, thank you for watching this video. I'm for real this time.
There was a tall bathroom, well, a long bathroom, and it had like 5 sinks and 2 showers.
Rent paid, nails did, hair slayed, make 'em work for it.